Hello my dear students, today we will have an interactive type of class. We are going to discuss today dictionary reference skill. Dictionary skill. It contains 5 marks. If you give heart and soul, if you judge properly, you can score 5 on 5. But one mistake leads to another, you may get 0 even. So be careful. Today we are going to take a word COURT code. I do hope you have got idea about the meaning of the word, but it has got several meaning. Dictionary skill में क्या होता है? A word having several meaning. So today I do hope you'll learn a lot the synonym of the word code. Now one, hall of justice. Hall of justice. In Odia, this is called Bichara court jo puche. Noun two, place for games. Noun three, palace of a king, or you can say it as royal court. Raj Darbar. So I do feel you have got idea about this one, and this one too. Noun meaning. Let us put a visit to the verb meaning. Okay. आपको याद whether you have got idea or not, we'll see. Verb one. Quote means to know. Quote means to see. Quote means to invite. Quote means to woo. Okay. So I do feel you have got idea about these three, but you can add few more to your idea. That is to know, to see, to invite, and to woo. To woo means attract. You can attract. So have it, write it, remember it. You are going to get 5 sentences now, and you have to match with the meaning. In the exam you will get only 5 meanings, okay, but I have given some extra. 5 meaning, 5 sentences, right? Now you have to go for this. We have to go for the sentences. Sentence 1. Don't fight. Don't fight. The matter will be finalized in the court. So when you get a sentence now, try to understand the meaning. Here the word court is there. So how to judge the meaning? Don't fight, the matter will be finalized in the court. You can choose only 1 out of 5. Okay, you cannot repeat. So what might be the meaning? Don't fight, the matter will be finalized in the court. So first of all, you have to judge whether it is a noun or verb. If before the word article is there, be sure it is noun. So no need to choose from verb, rather from noun. Now you have got limited answers. Number 1, hall of justice, place for game, and palace of the king. So don't fight, the matter will be finalized in the court. कौन सा होगा? One among them. So you have to choose. Suppose this one means you have tried noun to place for games, right? So let's go to the next one. Why do you quote death? Why do you quote death? Okay. Why do you quote? You is subject, then it is verb. So you have to choose from among the verb, not noun. Getting? So why do you quote death? Why do you know death होगा या see death होगा? To invite or to whom? You have to select, right? So let's put a visit to the next sentence. So let me wipe out a little this one. Okay. Take a screenshot there, okay, so that it will be easy on our part to discuss further. Okay, take a screenshot. Okay, so number 3. Two players are complaining about the court. Again, before the word article is there, so you have to choose from among noun, right? Number 3, number 4. I will kill you. It is my favorite line. I will kill you if you quote my daughter. Quote my daughter. Here you quote definitely after subject it is verb here. So you have to choose from the verb, right? Last but not the least, the court is adjourned, adjourned due to summer vacation. So now 5 sentences are there and 7 minutes, right? You have to choose out of 7. So don't find the matter will be finalized in the court. Why do you quote death? Two players are complaining about the court. I kill you if you quote my daughter. The court is adjourned due to summer vacation. Okay. Otherwise, today I am going to discuss with you this one, and further I will provide question to you so that it will be easy on your part to answer. Okay. But you have to choose only one out of the meaning. Okay. So which one is easier? Let's start with that. Two players are complaining about the court. This one is easier because two players with players, what is associated? First of all, we have to search the meaning of the court. Article is there. So from noun 1, noun 2, noun 3. So two players, hall of justice, place for game. कौन सा होगा? Or palace of a king. Two players are there. So we have to go for intelligent guessing, that is place for game. So what you have to do is that you have to write two players are complaining about the court. You have to give a hyphen and you have to write noun 2, place for game. Okay. You can use only one, right? Next one. I will kill you if you quote my daughter. I will kill you if you quote my daughter. So after subject verb is there, we'll choose from among. I will kill you if you know my daughter. होगा क्या? नहीं होगा तो कर. I'll kill you if you see my daughter. Maximum will go for this one because they watch movies. मेरे लड़की की तरफ आंख उठाकर भी देखा तो जान से मार डालूंगा. That is appropriate for films, but if somebody sees somebody, nobody is going to kill, right? So ये फिल्मी वाला डायलॉग है, so it will be wrong. So now I'll kill you if you invite my daughter. I'll kill you if you woo my daughter. So out of these two, one will be the answer. You have to choose. You have to show your intelligence. If somebody invites somebody, or if I'll attract your daughter, I'll kill you if you attract my daughter. So out of these two, it will be appropriate, right? So you have to be cautious. You have to be careful while choosing the answer. Otherwise, you are not going to score marks. In first year, it has got 5 marks. In the second year too, it has got 5 marks. So be careful while choosing. So okay, these two already done. Next, let's go to the next one. Why do you quote death? Why do you know death होगा क्या? शायद नहीं. Why do you see death होगा? Why do you invite death? Or why do you attract death? ये तो हो गया है. You cannot use. So out of 3, which one will be appropriate? Why do you invite death? Why do you quote death? Here, right answer is invite. Right? So it is done. It is done. It is. Next, जो easy होता है कर लेंगे. उसके बाद we'll think about the final one. देखो, why don't fight? The matter will be finalized in the court. Maximum will go for hall of justice. Don't fight. The matter will be finalized in the court. ये भी तो सही लग रहा है. अगर आप लिख दोगे कि हॉल ऑफ जस्टिस, you are going to commit a mistake. You can ask why for? Listen. ये तो हो जाएगा, लेकिन what about this one? The court is adjourned. You might have seen in the film. Okay, the judge having hammer. The court is adjourned. So, due to summer vacation. आप अगर बोलोगे the court is adjourned due to summer vacation, पहले सब वेकेशन नहीं होगा क्या? नहीं होगा, because during that time summer vacation was not there. So, the don't fight, the matter will be finalized in the court will be palace of a king, and the court is adjourned due to summer vacation, hall of justice. Right? So, dictionary skill is of 5 marks, but you can get 5 on 5. That is 100%. So if you take care of each question, okay, in this way you can score better. In first year, lot of things are there. You can catch on. Okay, so it is a dictionary skill. Okay, soon you are going to get more number of dictionary skill, and if government wants, we can have class offline so that we will have lot of dictionary skill. Okay, I do hope you understand it. Okay, thank you very much.